Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your online store on Shopify and create collections to help you start selling. So go over to this side and select product. Then from the list, you also choose collection. You see this dashboard and then go ahead the right side of the dashboard and select create collection. And what you see next is the page where you can set up title, description, and type of collection of items you want to sell. So I'll title mine as clothes. In the description, you can choose to add more details about the kind of clothes you want to sell, but I'll choose not to since I can already add an image of the item directly so customers can see what it looks like. Then you choose how you want to add pictures of these items. It can be manually or automated. Manually, I will have to upload the picture from my device to Shopify, and if I choose automated, then Shopify gives me a prepared selection I can choose from. Here in the search engine listing, this is where you'll be able to see how to add descriptions about your items so customers on different engines can see them. So if I say clothes, and over here I say nice fitting clothes. Okay. Now over to this part is where I can add any image of items that I wish to put up for sale. So I select and I click on save. And as you can see here, a collection has been added. You can also choose to add more collections using the same steps as before. Here I was to add a shoe collection. So I repeat the same process, adding the image, and voila, I set it up. So if you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. See you in our next video.